Obaseki Lily. That's my name. People call me Smart Lily. I was here last year for the Nigerian Idol season 8. It was a beautiful and crazy experience. I love the challenges, They get to stretch you, right? They get to bring out the best in you. So that's the beautiful part of it, right? But the crazy part are the challenges, right? Where you have to showcase what you have at each stages. You have to bring your A game. You have to be extremely good because there are a lot of talented people. So that's the crazy part. It's not easy.
So I lost my dad when I was 6, and for every time I got body shamed, it was the only tool I had to make myself feel good. Everybody had something to say about me, and it came from the society, and it came from close people too. My dad passed in 2006, December 22nd. So my dad was the closest person to me, and he was my friend. And when he passed, I had no other person to talk to. It was difficult communicating with my mom, so he not being around just made me I just went back to myself. Like I was hidden. I didn't have the esteem to be around any other person that wasn't my dad. I didn't get to say goodbye. So if I was given the opportunity to tell my dad anything or ask him anything, I don't know why he left. Or I was angry at the time, but I'm glad he did. It made me stronger. I'm sure if he was still alive, I'll be spoiled.
It was really difficult. It was really difficult watching my mom kind of struggle to raise 4 kids, put us through school, and we're all like, I would say, almost successful. We're getting there. It was a point where a lot of things kind of changed. I started to view the world differently. I usually get from people saying, oh, you act a lot older than your age, or you act a lot older than you actually are. And I say, yes, I guess the world kind of had to, I had to like harden up, I had to grow up early. So, yeah. Nigerian Idol is my dream come true because it is the place. It is the stepping stone to stardom.